Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to create a broadcast campaign. Now when you log into your CRM, this is your home screen here, and I'm going to call your attention to the left hand side here where you have this menu item called broadcast campaigns. We're going to click in there, it's going to open up a new tab for us, and this will display any previous broadcast campaigns that were created. To make a new one, I'm going to click this add button here in the top left hand corner, and I'm going to get a dialog box here. And this top drop down box gives me 4 categories: auto response, greetings, newsletter, and marketing template. And what these are various categories within the CRM that we have several pre-made templates to choose from. So you can pick one of those templates and then edit the text or the images that are in there and use it as your own. The other option you have available is to make just a blank template and then just build it from scratch that way. So I'm going to select the newsletter one here, and I'm going to select this option here. Hit select and it'll bring me into a new campaign, and as you see it has the template in there for me. And so what you can do here is you can name it, and you can pick the group of people that you want to send it to. Pick that group right there, and the from name, this is the name that shows up in the inbox that the person who's receiving it. And here you can have the from email, so if you want to leave it as your own email, you can. The other option is that if you're using a group email, such as like marketing at your company name or support at your company name, you can do that. Here you can put in the subject line. And then obviously to edit anything, if you hover your mouse over one of these blocks, you get these 4 options available to you. This one is to move this block around in the message. This one is to edit it. This one is to copy it, and this one is to trash it. So if we want to edit this, click on this little button here, and it gives us these other options available to us. Now these are be similar to what you would see in Microsoft Word or Excel or any other Office product. You can do justifications, you can change the font or the size or the different colors, bold, italicized. You can put images in there. So what I want to do is, instead of having just my company name, I want to put my logo in there. So I'm going to highlight it, hit this little image button here. It's going to bring this dialog box up. I'm going to hit browse. This is where all my images would be stored in the CRM. So I'm going to take my SoftFront logo here and hit insert. It's a little big, so I'm going to shrink it down, and then I'm going to hit OK, and now my logo is in there. So the only thing left to do is now to save it, and then I get some options up here. I can schedule when I want to send this, so I can pick the day and the time to send this out. So I can choose next Monday at 10 a.m. if I want. I can hit execute now if I want to send this right this second. I can copy it if I want to make a copy of everything. To test it, it gives me an option to send myself an email to review everything to make sure everything is fine. I can create rules if I want to be notified when somebody clicks on a link that I send it to. And then I have my results button, obviously, to view the results of the email, how many were sent, open, clicked, spam, all those various options here. But otherwise, this is how you set up a broadcast template.